I'm going to use my new Rose and Ben E27 brush. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being with me here today for this video, which is going to be another look with my Natasha Denona Circo Loco palette. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Michelle. I like to post a lot of makeup and some nail polish content too. So if that sounds interesting to you, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment in the chat so I can welcome you and thank you for being here. So let's go ahead and get into the palette. I'm really excited to create another look with my Natasha Denona Circo Loco palette. This is what my palette looks like. I have gotten some good use out of it, but I want to play with it again. Today, I'm going to create a really fun, colorful look. I'm going to play mostly with like the blues and the purples. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have a stack of clean brushes that are all dry and ready to go. So I'm excited for that. And let me get my eyes primed and then we'll get into some color. This is my purple blue palette. I have used this a few times, but nowhere near as many times as I should have for the price that I paid for it. However, I think I finally figured out why I don't really like this palette that much. I don't know, I mean, it's all right. Just for the fun of it, just so that I can pull a little bit of that brightness from this bright purple matte, I'm gonna use that one in my crease. I'm gonna start off with this really huge, fluffy Refer 15. And I'm gonna take this bright purple. Let's see. Let me just go with this into the crease. I gotta kind of hurry with this look because I gotta take my son to his summer activities. It looks like I got a little too close to the top there in that one. Just taking a clean blender and I'm just gonna try to blend out the top of this. All right. Now I'm going to go into the Circo Loco for my really, really dark purple matte from in here. This purple is very dark. So I'm going to use this out here on this edge. I love the way those two purples blend together. All right, might as well just go ahead and run that down to the lower lash line. And actually, I'm going to use my new Rose and Ben E27 brush. I'm really excited to check this out. I'm gonna see how this brush works for the lower lash line. I'm gonna start off with the purple, just a little bit. Let's just bring it down. It's a little scratchy. It's not exactly the softest. It's kind of scratchy, but I like the shape of it. And these lights, girl, getting to me. Okay. All right, I do like it for this lower lash line as far as the shape going from my outer corner down to the bottom, but I don't exactly like how it's not very soft. It is scratchy every time it touches my skin. So it's not exactly fun, but at least I do like the shape. And just with that right there, I feel like I am not interested in trying any of the other Rose and Ben brushes. I feel like they just won't be soft enough for my skin. But ooh, that look is really turning out. I'm gonna take this natural haired pointed packer from Morphe. You can get this at Ulta. This is whatever number that is right there. Can you see that? I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna go into the purple, kind of like the deep purple satin. I'm gonna just put this on the center of the eyelid. Okay, this is a trust the process look. Okay, I know this is looking a little scary, but just trust that it's gonna come together. Let me go ahead and soften up my crease right here. These two purples. Then I'm gonna take that first brush that I had the light purple with, no additional product, and just try to soften up that top a little bit. I'm gonna take this Refer 28, and I'm gonna take this blue, this really beautiful bright, like icy blue here. It's called Snow Cone. I love this shade so much. Watch this. Ooh, love that blue. Did you see that right there? Oh my God, I love that shade so much. I think this is my favorite shade in the whole palette. Here we go. Wow. For me, I like a really clean, straight, like fake cut crease look. Like that. Almost done, pretty much. For the lower in the front, I want to take this kind of like icy purple. Actually, I'm going to put this in the inner corner. Kind of just like right here. There, that just gives it a little pop there in the front corner. And then I do want to take, this is too big, hold on. I'm going to take this teeny tiny pencil and go into the bright blue right here. It's like a blue satin. I'm going to just line the front bottom. Just for like a little pop of kind of difference right there in the front for some interest. And I actually had pulled out my Metropolis palette just in case I wanted to use a little bit of the blue from in there, because that blue is really beautiful. Actually, before I go into eyeliner and mascara, I want to play with this brush a little bit more, even though it's not very soft. Okay, it's not very soft. I cannot imagine trying to use that concealer brush on my eyelid, like the one that Rose and Ben uses. Rose or whatever. You see how I have nothing right above the aqua here in the front? Like nothing at all. I just want to add a little something there. So I'm going to take a little bit of this purple matte. That was my dog. And I just want to carefully like bring it over from the crease where it's kind of getting lost. Just above that aqua. Just so it's not so plain right there. Ooh, I love what that did. Do you see the difference right there? Just added a little something. I can see me really enjoying this brush for some detail work for sure. Okay, I like that a lot better. I do want to soften it up a little bit. I'm just going to take this brush with nothing on it and just carefully run it there. I really, really like the way that helped finish off the look, in my opinion. I'm just going to take this empty brush also and kind of soften up this outer edge up here all the way across, just so it appears a little bit more blended. I'm cleaning off that brush on a soft cloth, and I am just gonna soften up this blue in the front a little bit because I feel like one side is darker. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and I'll come back and show you the completed look. Here is the completed look with eyeliner and mascara. Let me know what you think. I really like it. I love these colors together. I also just love how dramatic it makes my eyes look. And I love the way it looks with my shirt, but most importantly, I just love the way these colors look with both my skin tone and the depth of color of my hair, the darkness of it. So yeah, I think it's a really fun look. I hope you like it. I'd love to know your thoughts down below in the chat section. Be kind if you don't like it, but feel free to leave me some pointers and tips. Like, let me know what you would do differently. Would you wear this look out in public? Is this a party look only for you? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, I really, really love the way the look turned out, and I really enjoyed playing with my Circo Loco palette again. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to click the like button. It really does help my channel out so much. So thank you so much to those of you who stayed to the end and watched my videos all the way through, and who click the like button and comment for engagement. I really do appreciate y'all so much. And make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye.